Hello and welcome to this video learning series of AutoCAD. Today we are going to learn about how to create polygons in AutoCAD. So let's start. The Polygon tool is available in this drop down here in the draw panel of the Home tab. If I click on this arrow, I'll find two tools. First one is rectangle, which we already discussed in the previous sessions, and the second one is polygon. And this tool we are going to learn today. So click on this polygon tool. You will see that the command line prompts us to enter the number of sides. So suppose I want to make a hexagon, which means a six-sided polygon. So I'll enter the number of sides as 6. So type 6 in the command line and press enter. Now command line says specify center of polygon. So I'll specify it here. Again it says, will the polygon be inscribed in a circle or circumscribed about the circle? So let's choose the inscribed in circle option first and see what happens. So we have chosen the inscribed in circle option. Now it is asking for the radius of the circles. I'll specify the radius of circle as 15 and press enter. So you can see a polygon is drawn here. Now to understand the inscribed in circle option, which we chose earlier from the command line, let's draw a circle. So I will invoke the circle tool. Here is the center of the circle and radius of the circle will be 15 as we specified earlier. So you can see this polygon fits inside this circle, which means it is inscribed in this circle. So I hope you now understand the meaning of that inscribed in circle option. Let's invoke the polygon tool again. For your information, POL is the command alias for polygon tool. You can also type POL in the command line and press enter to invoke the polygon tool. Again it says enter number of sides. Let's go with this value 6. So press enter. Specify center of polygon. Again I will specify center here. This time I will choose circumscribed about circle option. Radius of circle 15. So type 15 and press enter. Now the polygon is drawn. Let's draw a circle again so that we can understand circumscribed about circle option. Here is the center of the circle and radius is 15. Now you can see the circle is fitted inside this polygon, which means the polygon is circumscribed about the circle. So these are the two options to draw a polygon: inscribed in a circle and circumscribed about a circle. Now if I want to specify the length of the edge of the polygon, what I can do is can invoke the polygon tool, enter number of sides. Suppose this time we want to create an octagon, which means a polygon with 8 sides. So I will type 8 in the command line and press enter. Center of polygon or edge. As I said, I want to specify the length of the edge, so this time I'll go for this edge option. Specify first endpoint of edge. This is the first endpoint, and I can specify the length of this edge. Let's say it is 10, and after typing 10 in the command line, press enter. You can see an octagon created with edge length of 10 units. So this is all about the polygon tool. I hope this video will help you in creating polygons as per your requirements. Thank you for watching.